Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how to check app updates in our vivo phone. Guys, you want to check any app updates in your vivo phone, so guys you can check your app updates. Guys, you have updates or not. So guys, now let's see how to check app updates in our vivo phone. So friends, before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. Sorry guys, open your play store guys first of all, and guys click on your id guys, and guys click on manage apps and device. Guys click on see detail, so you can see your app updates here. So which app guys you want to update guys, you can update from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to check updates in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.